Hey guys, this is a 2017 Porsche Macan GTS all-wheel drive. This is a rebuilt title, had some damage right here around the hood, lights. I've got some pictures if you ask. We can show you some before pictures of the damage, but he's done a really good job. Lines look great. It's got the big old panoramic sunroof. Big old red brakes. That later. So this has got the red stitching throughout and the red seat belts throughout. Here's the VIN number. This thing only has 13,000 miles on it. Let's start it up here for you. Rear windshield wiper going off. Navigation. Backup camera, heated seats. You can sport tune the suspension. It does have the exhaust button, which makes it a little louder. Sounds pretty good. So here's, found the original sticker in here, what they paid. $80,000 rig sticker. You can see all the different ads it has. So it does come with all the books and everything. These seats just look so sweet. I love them. That rear wiper, it shuts off. I just didn't want to find it here on camera. Nice stance on this thing. Good tires. "21-inch rims. It's got the 4 silhouette lights when you're coming down the road. Kind of Porsche's signature. I love them. Sweet lights. Check out all my inventory at tjchapmanauto.com.